Welcome back, guys. Today's focus area is on how to get better at maths. Mathematics and math anxiety and the fear of maths is very commonplace around the world. The minute numbers become letters, people have a fear, people don't know why, and eventually they just give up. Hopefully these short tips can help people not to give up and improve their math skills. To do that, I'm going to focus in on the brain. I'm going to treat our brain as if it is a tree with branches. Now, why is that? Well, we're going to treat each branch as if it's a skill that we possess. For example, one branch could be for soccer, for Fortnite, for maths. Now, if we do not practice these skills, then eventually they will become brittle and weak. As you can see in this specific example, this person obviously practices his soccer skills and his Fortnite skills, but he has not been practicing maths, and as such, the maths branch has become a little bit brittle. So how do we improve that? The key take-home point is practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more you strengthen your branches, the more you concrete your knowledge. How does that work with mathematics? Well, it simply means you have to do your homework. Homework is key in order to concrete our maths knowledge. So the key take-home point for this is homework is key. I hope this message helps, guys. Please spread it and see you next time.